Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Anxiety. Today we're going to be playing Search and Destroy on Scrapyard using the Kilo. Originally, I did switch to the AS Val, probably third round, I believe, because huge movement. They were sweating pretty bad. Um, and they shot bodies, so it's just it's vibes. So we got him in. There was trash talking, told him 1v1 us. Three of them popped up, so we did a 3v3 gunfight, and we absolutely crushed them. Yep, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys later.
I don't know what I should rock.
For this map they're getting the old Kilo. Just for this map, because I know a P90's not.
Oh fuck, I forgot to search and destroy, don't push like
Oh, I
that.
got no scope.
Oh my god, what's that recoil?
You got a VOK?
I have no idea.
You got a VOK?
Yeah, I'm
That's-
definitely switching guns.
That's what happened. Okay, I feel like these guys are sweating.
You think?
Yeah. I need my M13 SMG back. Thing's goated.
I have no more Parmesan cheese for my fucking chili.
I'm gonna need to make me some food soon. I'm getting hungry. You know I had Chick-fil-A.
He definitely lost this. His teammate doesn't look that good.
He's a sniper, bro. He's level 6. He's got hacks. Oh no, we lost. We lost!
He has two snipers.
Oh!
Oh my god!
He's cracked! He's cracked!
Folks said,
He's cracked!
Nah, I'm gonna ask you to where
This man is cracked.
Search and destroy.
You know what's crazy? Everybody on the
Tyler?
team is talking so much.
Yeah, probably.
So I'm pulling out at AS Val.
We have assets in the field. Defending them is critical.
There's a guy in there.
There's two back left spawn.
No way!
Range 26 too.
Fuck the battle, bro.
Oh, and that you're left a knife.
Bro, I got the
OZ got the Val now, so definitely taking precaution.
1 minute
The
remaining.
Val's kind of overpowered.
It is.
I haven't upgraded mine fully. I haven't maxed it out yet.
Enemy bomb planted. Get to Bravo.
Fuck! What an idiot. Shoot his body.
Ready for flyover.
Damn. Or don't shoot his body.
No. Oh, I was about to say, if you're waiting that long, I swear.
Nah, I would do that.
Bomb has been defused.
chili.
My controller died.
I have a kill. What did I do?
My controller
What did I
died.
do? Dang.
Nah, you a demon.
Search and destroy.
He said, what did I do?
He said, nah,
What
you a
did I do?
demon.
Damn.
Critical assets identified. Keep them secure. Stay focused. No mistakes.
Yeesh.
This round is out.
Nigga,
Nah, it's
just
'cause he made
let
my
him
shirt
flank with
wrinkly, bro.
nothing, bro.
Yeah, my shirt was wrinkly. I had to fix that shit.
Actually,
Made my shirt wrinkly.
Where my mother?
Switching sides.
Even abuela know that.
Exactly.
Search and destroy.
I got a UAV. I need 2 kills for a VTOL.
Destroy your targets.
Oh, I just lost my streak. Oh, no.
Fuck.
Yeah, they're just sitting there. Plane? Dent? You seen him? Plane? L plane?
Follows.
There's one in our spawn. By helicopter.
Ah. Came from behind, bro.
Viking's crazy, bro.
Focusing on my children.
1 minute remaining. We have the bomb. Get moving.
Buddy, shut up.
Yeah, idiot.
Oh my.
Rip. He knows where he's at. I just don't understand people. I get you want to use a sniper, but have a red gun with it, cause it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
I think it's just the ego of if you don't snipe, you're not good. You hear him, and he shot body. He shot body. He shot body. Oh, that was a big mistake. Why?
Oh my
We gotta
God.
flex on
Why you
Sosa.
shooting bodies?
Why are we
bro?
shooting
Why you
bodies,
shooting
bro?
Because
bodies
he's
on
Yeah.
black, right?
Bro,
Like,
yeah,
that's
he's
what I'm
Mexican.
saying.
He's
Calm
Mexican.
down. Yo, why you
It's
being so
because he's
black?
Holy shit.
He's
fucking
Mexican.
I
That's
did it
why.
as a joke.
He's
Calm
Mexican.
down, bro.
He's
Bodies
Mexican.
now?
Because he's black.
Dark.
Okay, alright,
He's
bet.
Mexican.
Black.
Bet.
He's Mexican. Look.
Search and
Bet.
destroy.
That's all I needed to hear. That's all I needed to hear. We shooting bodies now. It's over for you, young boys. It's over.
Defuse the bomb. Destroy your targets.
No way.
Yo,
Oh fuck, he's proning in plane. He probably moved. Oh, they pulled up AS Val as well.
my teammate not
Bro,
even
how you
AS
let
Val
me
and
kill you
shooting
and you have a...
bodies.
How do you have... Hold on.
My
How
guy
do you
is
have
reloading.
the
I
same
needed to
spot?
reload.
Oh my God,
I needed to reload. I needed
Wow,
to reload.
camping.
Yo, shut your mouth.
That's
Shut
crazy,
your
not gonna
mouth.
lie, gang.
Yeah, bro.
Don't
You just
tell
made
me
my
like
shirt
that.
wrinkly. Like, I'm fighting.
Search and destroy.
Okay, buddy. We
They're
really
so
gotta.
angry for what?
I have no idea. I'm going A. Any bomb.
Target identified. Capture the ball and engage.
One go with me to A. Not hard. I'm gonna plant.
Yo, why didn't make my...
That's right.
Ah, I just missed all shots.
Good
Oh,
title.
A.
We have the bomb. Attack the weapon.
Good kill. Right.
Behind me and behind me.
Hey, yo, TTV, good shit. Good shit, TTV.
Damn, how y'all gonna let us kill you like that?
Yo,
Hey, yo, bro,
shut up.
shut the
bro.
fuck
Smack
up.
his
Hey,
mother-
Hey, guys. Twitch.tv/Anxiety03.
How you gonna
Twitch.tv/Anxiety03. Come watch the stream, bro.
Yo,
Oh
I'm
my
trying to
God.
be
Come watch the
Hey,
stream.
yo.
Come watch the stream.
Oh, come watch the
Hey,
stream.
yo.
Come watch the stream.
Search and
Wait, I'm
destroy.
playing. Fuck these kids, bro.
For real.
We have assets in the field.
Hard pushing.
Defending them is critical.
Oh, you free fired? Okay. Yeah, just watch bomb. Just watch bombs. Nice. Nice. B. B. Oh, never mind. A. Oh.
Gun.
Oh.
Gun for that range.
Bro, what?
You're cool, bro. It's cool.
Okay. Oh, this thing is dick.
Oh, put the sniper away! Clearly it's not working!
1 minute remaining.
Yep,
Oh,
somebody
bro.
check TV.
How
You
you gonna
smoking
let
that
that
nigga
pack,
go?
nigga.
Hey
I
yo,
got the
twitch.tv/anxiety03.
Well, I'm smoking on,
Twitch.tv/anxiety03.
nigga. I'm smoking that TV pack, nigga. Come shit with us, please.
Elite 1v1 me, 1v1 me. Come in my lobby.
Okay.
1v1 me.
Okay.
Bet.
After the game.
Okay.
Where the
But
Search and destroy.
Let's go, the
Jesus.
1v1.
You freaking hate to see players like this.
Critical assets identified. Keep them secure. Target fuel. UAV beginning fire.
Oh, one side burning.
Bro, what's this kid using? Oh. MP7.
hey, yo,
okay.
GG's. I'm sorry. I take everything back. I want no problem. Psych, nigga. I lost a my dick. My dick. Don't you ever think?
Hold up.
How does it feel to lose?
Damn.
Shut up.
7
Fuck.
and
I
6.
smoke you like
7
How
I
does
and
it
did
6.
feel to
That.
George
lose?
Floyd.
How does it feel
Spit
to lose?
on. Spit on.
Search and destroy.
These kids, bro. This should
Kids
top
are-
tier.
Kids are clowns, bro. Like what? Kids are
Critical
clowns.
assets identified. Allied UAV.
Yo, bro, I'm laughing my.
Bro, yo,
I
fuck
bet you
that
invite me
nigga.
to a point.
It's really
Invite me to a
so
point.
Invite me
bad.
after this game. Invite me after this game.
Invite me to a point.
Invite me after this. Invite me after this game. Invite me after this
Invite me,
game.
invite me to a
Hold
party.
the L. Hold the L. Just hold the L.
Invite me to a
No,
party.
no one fucked up.
Invite all of us.
Hold the L.
Crazy,
Hold the L.
Sosa, and Elite.
7 and 7, 5 and 9. Stop talking. Stop talking. The only
14 and
person who
6,
can talk
nigga,
is
shut the fuck
14 and
up.
6.
I'm
The
on
only
14
person who
and
can
6.
talk is
Alright,
14 and
shut the fuck
6. Stop
Nigga, I don't play
talking.
SND. I don't play
Alright, bet.
SND.
Alright, bet.
I
Stop
don't-
talking
I
shit,
think
bro.
we-
Stop talking shit then, bro. Dumb as hell.
He said I played and it cut off the Burke. Nah, that's tard. He played retard.
He just invited me. Put him in the lobby, bro. Put him in the lobby.
Who we inviting? Who we inviting?
Oh, bro, we're actually inviting me. Oh my lord.
Never mind. He didn't
Yeah,
invite me.
private
If he
match,
don't
bro.
invite me, he can get in the stream.
No, invite him. Invite him. I want.
It's not popping up for me. No.
What was that?
I don't
you're
know what his
inviting?
name was. He had TikTok though. And the other guy was named
what's the
Elite.
TikTok guy?
Elite.
Lol
It's
Sosa,
Elite.
Are we inviting Lol Sosa and Elite or which one?
It don't matter to me.
I invited Sosa. I think that's the one who was talking.
Oh yeah, he
I
invited
invited
me.
both.
He invited me. He invited me. He wanted me to join his party.
Invite us too so we can watch. Oh no, here's
Tyler.
Elite.
Podcaster.
Hey yo,
Is
this
Elite.
guy.
I game set up.
This guy. He's so
One
mad.
v1
Oh, we got more people.
What
This
map? What
hilarious.
map?
Speedball. Speedball AX50.
What's up,
game
mother
rules,
brother?
unlimited. How many points? 30 or 20?
20.
Alright, we good. Oh fuck, we got no
Alright,
whole
what we
squad
doing?
up in here. It's supposed to be a 1v1, wasn't it?
Hold up. Most fair way to do this, 3v3 gunfight. To be honest.
Gunfight. S&D.
3v3
Nah,
S&D?
nah.
You want 3v3 S&D?
No, 3v
Yeah, why
team
not?
deathmatch. Team deathmatch. Shoot, team deathmatch.
Why ain't nobody playing
Well,
no
what are we
team
doing then?
deathmatch? This man's a clown. What am I hearing?
We could
Team
do
deathmatch.
S&D or...
Nah, SND, nah.
3v3
That's
S&D?
a
Well, I
Bet.
mean, that's where the
3v3
trash talk is
gunfight?
on, so we might as well do.
Alright, gunfight.
3v3 gunfight that.
Gunfight, alright.
Yeah,
I'm fun on
gunfight. Yes, sir.
I
Hey, yo,
never played gunfight, but okay.
I'm gonna clip that shit from your POV too. Now I'm about to go to the stream.
Oh, this
You
this
know?
is this is hilarious. We doing 3v3 gunfight. Y'all know what we play?
I play Reaper, so hey.
I cook you in Rebirth
I'm
too.
on.
That's an easy. Yeah. You don't want to
No,
see me on that
don't
game.
even
Tyler,
say it.
Yeah,
if
you don't
we're
want
I
to see
think
me on
if
that
we're
game.
playing
Don't
Are
do
we
that.
ready?
if we're playing SAT at one point, I need to pick a class.
Alright. We're playing fucking gunfight. So she'll pick it up.
Gunfight.
Okay.
Gunfight. But it's where you get random guns. You have the same guns. Everybody has the same guns. Most fair way.
All even, bro. All even.
Look at these kids,
Oh
bro.
fuck, it's on random. We forgot to switch teams and shit.
Oh, I'm about to be put with a team. This fool didn't put teams. That's crazy. Who did I get on my team anyway? I got so.
Okay, we need to
Yeah.
fix this shit up. We need to fix
No,
this
we
shit
can
up.
fix it right now. Go to online.
Sosa and Dents
yo,
need
Lee.
to switch. Sosa and Dents need to
Yeah,
switch.
then switch. Then switch.
Grayson, switch. Grayson, you can't hear us. Grayson needs to switch. Hey, don't start yet. Don't start yet, bruh.
I will literally.
Damn.
Yeah, sit down, Elite. We're literally trying to switch teams, bro. Yo, we're literally trying to. We're trying to switch teams, bro. What are you doing, bro? We're trying to switch teams to make it even. What are you doing?
Yeah, Tyler, I'm on your team.
Grayson
Alright.
took forever to fucking figure out that he needs to switch teams for some reason.
Yeah, we would have been.
Yeah, I might be.
Wow, here you go.
Other one's hurt back here.
Yep.
Both of them are hurt bad.
I hate the X16. This run is so bot.
Let's go.
Damn.
Go get your guard.
No,
Kills.
I didn't. I shot your leg. I'm not gonna say that.
Quick kills. Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
This
They're
run
gonna
is so
put- they're gonna-
botched.
They're gonna push me every time. I guarantee you. They're gonna push me every time.
There's. Oh,
It's
off
two,
three
it's
on
two
the
on
left
me.
side.
Oh shit. First keep myself, bro.
You had to use a stun
Fucking
grenade.
stun myself.
Work to do.
Bet.
Or shoot it at art.
We need one push mid. One needs a actually Zenoxity. Tyler. Push with giraffe.
Yeah.
Push with giraffe. Push with giraffe. I got my side.
Bro, he said he was so
Oh
laggy.
my god.
Nice.
Sit down.
You're correct.
Sit
You're
down.
correct.
Good night,
Damn,
anxiety.
last bullet too.
I would not want to be against against you, anxiety.
Bro said goodnight to them. I'm going mid. I'm pushing mid.
All three push me.
There's two going left.
Oh.
Nice.
Under pressure.
Man, we don't even need a hard job.
Okay.
Hey,
No
hey,
offense,
don't do
Grayson,
that.
but
Don't do that. It's no offense to you,
No
bro.
offense, Grayson, but we do this shit all the time.
Yeah, this is what we do. They should not have accepted
No offense,
this.
Grayson, we do this shit all the time, bro.
They should not have accepted this. Hit him.
Got me.
Oh, he hit me. I'm dead. Both went. One, two. One last one's hit already. Let's go! Oh my god! Let's go! We cooking! We cooking these kids, bro! We cooking these kids! It's easy, bro! This is content right here! This is content right here!
Damn.
Alright, lads.
That's what we love to see.
I don't have a single kill.
It's all good, bro.
I clipped that shit. I clipped that shit.
I got heady so
1v3
bad.
trash
Ooh.
talkers.
Val,
this
he's
round. They win
peeking
this round.
mid-wall. He's peeking
Mid wall,
out
mid wall,
wall,
mid
bro.
wall.
Oh fuck yeah, he's. Oh what? There. Oh, it was 3 of them again.
Yeah. All three of them.
I thought you guys killed them. I didn't know
Nah.
you guys. Ah, fuck. I
Nah,
thought
they
you
all
guys
they're
killed
triple
them.
pushing now. They're triple pushing one side.
Yeah, I see that. I'll go right. I'll go right.
I'll go
All
right.
of us. Yep, they right.
On the
One
heady.
dead.
One shot. Heady gone, one shot.
2 dead.
Oh my god,
Nice.
get beam kids.
Damn,
Get
don't
beam
triple
kids.
push, bro.
Get beam kids. You don't want this word.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, sit the
Yo,
f down. Sit the f down, bro. Sit the f down, bro. Sit the f down, bro. It's 2v3 right now. Sit down. Sit down.
One more and we got this. Let's go.
2v3.
Oh wow,
technically. Sorry,
breakfast.
Gracie.
Dang. Oh yeah, he's like one shot, bro. He's one tap. Literal one tap.
Don't use that gun. Yes.
Clutch? Mid wall. Never mind. Wolf, spawn.
Behind,
That's my
behind.
fault. That bad call out on me. Bad call out on me.
Yeah, you get it. It's okay. I fucked up.
Dang, Chris. You were 12 to 12. Sheesh. Breakfast time for you. That's crazy.
Match point.
We just got these trash talkers up in here, and we're basically 2v3. It's hilarious. On my
Val
side.
left side.
I did not get no hits, bro. I'm just dying repeatedly now. I'm just pushing ego. Nice shots. Nice shots, then. No. Oh! Zenoxity, last one is he got full health. Mid. Turn your spawn. Let's go!
Damn.
Sit down!
There we
Sit
go.
down!
Damn. Damn.
There we go.
Don't pause
We're doing good. I
Don't
had 3
fucking
kills.